Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and opening this video. Today's video is about how to convert EPUB document format into PDF format. We have different methods of converting a EPUB document into PDF document. The first method is using online converter. You can convert your EPUB document into PDF by using online. The other method is using software, the software called Calibri. Also, we have another software called EPUB Converter. We have another software called EPUB Softy ebook converter. Also, we have Cool Master PDF Creator Pro. So these are methods of converting EPUB document into PDF document. I prefer using Calibri software, and this is the logo of the software. Why? Because Calibri first is an open source software and it has a lot of functionalities. Also, to give you ability of organizing existing ebook. If you have ebook in your computer, it can organize those books into visual library. Also, to give you ability of displaying your books, your ebooks. Also, you can edit. Also, to give you functionalities of converting ebook into different format. Let me show you how to download Calibri software and how to use it. To download the software, first make sure you're connected in the internet. So open your browser, then go direct to google.com, then search Calibri software. So this is the software. So this is the software called Calibri ebook management. Then you go direct on download. Then download it in Windows Phone or Mac OS or Linux, Windows 64-bit. Also, you have portable. So it depends on your operating system. You just choose any software depending on your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows, so we download here from the window. To install it, I've already installed, so I will not download it here since I've already installed it. So once you finish, you have to install into your computer. This is the logo of Calibri. So you will open it. So the software is opening. So this is the Calibri software. So it has a lot of functionalities, but I'll show you how to convert EPUB document into PDF by using this Calibri. So here we have what we call converter book. So first you have to add a book in this environment. So you open add book, then you browse where there is books. These are books here. So for example, maybe I want to convert your what you eat, maybe this one. So I will add the book in the Calibri software. This is my book. Then once the book is added, you have to open here, convert book. Then you select how do you convert. So I'm converting, input is EPUB, then I'm converting it into PDF. So I'm selecting here PDF. Then once you finish selecting, then you say okay. So it will show you here that the book is being converted. So here the book is being converted from EPUB format into PDF. So at 7, it will show you percentage of how conversion process is done. So we have your progress. You wait it until it finish. 67%, and running time is 42 seconds. So we wait until it reaches 100 here. So the progress is 91%. So we'll wait until it reaches 100. So it has reached the 100 and the book has already been converted. So what you do to check the book, you come here, you go to your computer. Then when you install Calibri software, there is a folder created by the software that stores converting document. When you convert the document, it stores all document there. So we'll go to C here, then Calibri library. So here, so this is our book. It's called by Sarah F. Jackson. So once you open, so you see a PDF has already been converted. You can open it to confirm if it has converted. So this is the book. So this is how to convert EPUB document into PDF document by using Calibri software. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.